Hi, Mayor. Can you hear me?
I can, Dave. How you doing?
I'm doing well. Hey, I have a budget question, but I did want to, just before I forget, ask you about the Supreme Court decision from this morning to go ahead, and it's a New York case. And if the plaintiffs are successful in a more conservative Supreme Court, we could see a lot more people carrying concealed handguns in New York City. Your thought about that decision to at least hear the case this fall?
Dave, I really fear a step in the wrong direction. I mean, we are here fighting gun violence. We need to turn the corner in 2021 by working with communities to really turn things around. And what do we have in the middle of that? The Supreme Court's going to consider making it easier for people to walk around with a gun? I mean, that's just backwards and dangerous. So I heard that news and my heart sank. I mean, we have come so far to try and keep guns out of the hands of New Yorkers, particularly young people. And the Supreme Court, it looks like they're working overtime to put guns right back in those hands. That really, really worries me. Go ahead, Dave.
On my budget question, I don't know if you have used the term or heard of the term, but the New York Times referred to it as revenge spending, that we've all been locked up so much and not much to spend money on for the past 13 months that people are going out and spending a lot of money if they're lucky enough to have it on some really expensive items. And I ask that because I'm looking at the new investments and some of these things, instead of saving the money and making the rainy day fund even larger than $4.5 billion. Did you think of that, or was there maybe a little bit of, this has been such a hellish year that you really wanted to spend on these new investments?
This is about recovery, Dave. We are spending to bring this city back strong right now. 2021 is the pivotal year. Recovery can't wait. We're making the investments now to get this city into strong shape. That is going to pay off in the years ahead. We're going to get to 4.5 million jobs by the end of this year and then keep going. We're going to surpass our previous record for jobs in the city. I don't have any doubt in my mind. We're going to be bringing in a lot more revenue in the process. So these are investments that are going to get us to a much stronger place. That's what we're doing here.